Alright guys, welcome back to the shop. Today's video, we're gonna make these car pistons out of welding guns holders. So let's get to this. If you guys can see right here, it's already done. I was gonna paint it. I was choosing the right color for it. I think I'm gonna go copper on the 916 and on the two topper bolts, and then leave everything just the way it is. But this is an old piston. What I did, I know there's motorcycle pistons and then there's car pistons. The motorcycle pistons, you guys could use it as your TIG, just because your TIG gun is, you know, a little smaller, and then you could just bend it and put it sideways. But I wanted to go with actual car piston, which it looks a little bit cooler. The bigger the better. So let's toss that one over there. So what I did, I used the 916. I torch to heat up the piston rod, just to make it. You guys could do it any way you guys want it, but I wanted mine designed like that, like a little snake or so. If you guys can see this. So I polished it and everything is ready for paint. Anyway, so on the top part of the piston, I just flipped it, put it downwards, and then I grab a 916 and I weld it. I just tigged it here and here, and that's all. So the rod moves sideways. So what you guys could do, I mean, it's aluminum and metal. So you guys cannot weld aluminum and metal. So what I did, I drilled, I believe it was a 3/8, I believe, a hole, a bolt thread. If you guys can see, it's already there. It's a little bit dark, but right there. And then I bought one of those little swirl locks in it. So right now, it's not moving anywhere. So that was my design for my gun holder. I'm gonna show you guys. So here's my Mig gun holder here. If you guys can see, so it's right here. So it's actually the perfect. So here you go, right here. Alright guys, so there goes the design right here that I wanted to go with. If you guys can see, I think it looks cool. I think it looks dope. As I got my copper, you know, gun, torch, whatever clip, I'm actually gonna paint these two bolts, and I'm gonna paint this copper color. So it could be two coppers and this, and just leave everything. So let's get to it and let's start wrapping this up and let's paint this. And then I wasn't gonna add for the welding clips. I wasn't gonna add nothing because I was just gonna leave it in my drawer. But I just decided, so I just grabbed the rubber bushing. If you guys can see inside, it's a spacer. I just, like I said, with the torch, I heated up the bushing to slide in the axle in there, and then I just drill a hole through it and just put the bolt in. And it's also copper. So that's let me show you guys. So if you guys can see, there you go. So I got, and it's, you see, so there you go. I could have done a little bit lower, but just because the gun is gonna be standing here, I don't want to knock the gun out or push it, and then I could just grab, you know, the pliers. So there you go, you guys. So, and then this is actually one of the cheapest welders, and I modified it. You know, I'm not gonna say the brand of the welder, but I modified the whole gun, which they say you can, and I did test it, and actually it was better. On the, well, I'll talk about the welder some other day. But yeah, so you guys can see, you know, let me take you guys this side. If you guys can see, there you go. So how I did the gun, so if you guys can see, it's not pushing the button inwards, so I put it exactly to the edge. You guys can see, so it's exactly to the edge, so like that the gun, you know, the wire won't come out. Come on, focus. So there you go. So I think it came out perfect. I think it came out just the way I want it to come out. Like I said, if I don't want this, I could just, you know, if I just want the piston gun in there, I mean, if I just want the welding gun in there, I could just take the pliers, just, you know, take that bolt out of there, and I could just leave the gun. Or just leave it like that, you know. But, you know, just to keep it as a good design, there you go. And man, I got another project, man. I got projects to come, guys, so make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, you know, or you guys don't even need to subscribe. Just look at the, you know, the contact and everything. I'm gonna show you guys what I was working, and I know I should have recorded on this one, but let me just get my camera out of this. All right, guys, so this is the actual project I'm actually working on. I am gonna show another video of my whole welding table, but bam, I got my piston figures. I just did 3. This one here I haven't finished because it's gonna be a nice one on that one. So you guys, you know, keep on watching my channel, and this one's gonna be exciting. You know, I still got more details, and I still haven't finished for what I'm working on him. You see his earring, his fingers, you know, and this one we got a little smoky, you know, and then we got chill rod here. So if you guys see, man, that one I haven't finished. I still got more to come. I got a big header there. I'm gonna do that as my phone stand. I'm gonna design it too. So. But let's talk about, alright guys, so here you go, man. Here goes the finished product right here. I got my piston Mig welding gun. It's done with my pliers holder. You guys can see it. And it was easy, man. It was easy to make. I think it came out better than what I thought, shiny and everything, you know. So magnetic is not even gonna move, but there you go, guys. So let me know what you guys think, and like I said, make sure like and subscribe. Peace.